Mainit-init na balita, Donnie now is focusing on his personal growth, learning, and expanding his horizons beyond showbiz. Yan daw ang sinasabi at truly, masaya daw sila na ma-witness ito para sa isang Donnie Pangilinan. The future looks incredibly bright and his dedication is truly inspiring. Yan po ay matapos makita itong si Donnie na featured sa Preview magazine, mga kaibigan. Lately lang ay talagang nakita natin yung mga napaka-poging picture ni Donnie naman sa Preview. So kung kaya masaya din ang mga fans, mga kaibigan, na makita siyang dire-diretso ang pagtatrabaho. Sabi daw, hindi lang mga trabaho sa showbiz, kundi active na active din ang buhay pagiging endorser ng isang Donnie Pangilinan. His Sun Life shoot was July 8 daw po, mga kaibigan. At ito po, kapogi naman. Pogi naman yan. At lately lang po ay kakapanalo lang nito sa isang award-giving body, mga kaibigan. So yes, ano pa ba daw ang hahanapin mo para sa isang aktor, businessman, producer, sailor, someone who wants to use his platform for good and more. I like daw, sabi ni Isa, I like that he's not letting his entire identity hinge on a single role. I'm really glad he is in this kind of headspace. Nakaka-proud ang isang Donnie Pangilinan, mga kaibigan. Sabi daw dito, I'm discovering a new side of all of this. Discovering maybe a new path and getting to know myself more. And this is a very interesting part of this whole journey, the unknown. So kung kaya gusto niyang mag-adventure, at yan ang sinabi niya sa The Preview, at mas exciting daw itong wala siyang alam kung anong mangyayari sa unahan. O diba? So yes, we are excited for you too, Mr. Donnie Pangilinan. Just stay in touch kasi nga po, hindi rin po kami titigil sa pagsunod sa bawat step na gagawin mo towards reaching what you want para sa sarili mo. On why perfection is not his vocabulary anymore, kasi sabi daw dito, I don't think wanting everything to be perfect is the way anymore, you know. Because now I have kind of accepted that in life, it's never going to be perfect. And that's why I'm more eager to do more things, because it's okay no matter what happens. At the end of the day, you gave it your all. Right? Yan daw ang sabi ng isang Donnie Pangilinan about sa mga pananaw niya sa buhay at this point in time sa career niya. Siya po ay solo flight as individual artist. Alexander Lexa Jules, magandang hapon po para sa inyong lahat.